was found to be close to the Kumarzuya Canal. Our reporter caught the various clandestine mechanisms adopted by these panchayats to get rid of their garbage. Though the Old Goa Panchayat has filed a writ petition opposing a site at Bangeni from being handed over to the CCP to be used as a garbage landfill site, our reporter caught the Old Goa Panchayat dumping its garbage at the very same site. A site at Dauji in Old Goa that had been earmarked as a helipad during the Chogam summit has also been a venue of choice of the Old Goa Panchayat to dump its garbage.
A cause of very serious concern is the disposal mechanism adopted at Goa's premier medical institute, the Goa Medical College and Hospital at Bambolim. The waste comprising of used syringes, used gloves, plastic and glass bottles, etc. generated at this premier institute is being dumped recklessly at a site within its campus close to the Yatri Niwas.
Though the Goa Medical College has a facility in place to take care of its biomedical waste, our reporter noticed the facility being recklessly misused by its staff, who were found dumping even non-degradable material such as glass bottles into the incinerator. Moreover, it was brought to our notice that the biomedical waste from only 3 departments of the GMC, the OPD, the casualty and the operation theatres, were being disposed with the help of the incinerator, leaving one to wonder the final resting place of all the other biomedical waste generated. It was also shocking to see medical waste from places as far as Hospesho in Margao and Azillo in Mapsa making its way to the dump site at the GMC campus.
This brings us to the end of our garbage trail. It is high time now that we as citizens of this lovely state wake up to this harsh reality, or soon there might be a day when we might sink into our own garbage. We'll be right back with more news on the other side of this break. Don't go away. Welcome back, you're with Goa 365. The NGO Green Goa Foundation on Thursday submitted a written complaint to the Chief Officer of Margao Municipal Council, the Medical Officer of the Urban Health Centre, Margao, and the Chairman of the Goa State Pollution Control Board on behalf of the residents of Shirvode.
The residents of Shirvode, who are a part of Ward number 6 of the Margao Municipal Council, asserted that the paddy fields running alongside National Highway 17 near Kuchatkar Nursing Home are inundated with stagnant water emitting foul smell, which can lead to an outbreak of disease in the area at any time.
It is brought to my notice by the public and the residential people from Naveli Shirvode. It's a national highway number 17. It's a national highway number 17. The building people has put a full waste water in the gutter. It's a drainage. It is not a which waste can be left over here. And you can see the people are suffering from lots of disease from Margao.
Jose Felipe de Souza, the state's revenue minister and Vasco's MLA, formally launched a traffic awareness campaign initiated by the Vasco Welfare Forum on Thursday by releasing a handout at a function held in Vasco.
आज पहिले सुवातेर म्हजी सेवास्की ज्या वास्को वेलफेअर फोरमाक ऑफकोर्स हांव तितून कन्वेनर हे आमी फॉर्म करपाक बट आयचे हे सगळे आयज क्रेडिट दिता डॉक्टर नागेशकर तसोच डॉक्टर रुजारियो आनी बाब डेनियल कारण हे मनीस जायते आवुरले.
The campaign aims to make Vasco a model town in the state, and about 5,000 copies of the handout will be distributed to vehicle owners with a request to obey traffic rules and maintain a speed limit of 30 km per hour within city limits. Speaking to the media, the Deputy Collector South Goa, Levinson Martins, said that the campaign was encouraging as the government could not solve the traffic problems of the state alone.
Very encouraging thing, because government alone cannot reach to each and every aspect of the requirement of society. Public participation is necessary. I would like to congratulate the forum for this initiative which they have taken.
Dr. Nagar Shekhar, President of the Vasco Citizens Forum, explained the reasons for the awareness campaign.
Awareness to get some pamphlets to be distributed to most of the or all vehicle owners if possible who are entering Vasco, so that they will obey the speed limit and Vasco will be accident free.
The body of an unknown male was found floating in Mandovi River at Ribandar on Friday morning. According to the police sub-inspector S. Hanchikutti of Old Goa Police Station, the person appeared to have died 2 days ago.
आणि आता आम्ही पोस्टमॉर्टम धाडटा एक्झॅक्ट कॉज ऑफ डेथ म्हाका आणि म्हाका दिसता हो मायग्रेट लेबर.
The concluding function of the 55th All India Cooperative Week 2008 was held at the Goa State Cooperative Bank, Pator, Panjim on Thursday, at which a souvenir, Sakar Goa, was released and awards presented to individuals for their contribution to the cooperative sector.
की सहकारी क्षेत्र जर बरें चल्लें, ह्या क्षेत्रात जर बरें काम जालें, ह्या क्षेत्रात जर आमी मुखार वचपाक शकले जाल्यार देशाची उदरगत आनी चड नेटान जावपाक पावता किंवा राज्याची उदरगत आनी चड नेटान जावपाक शकता. गोंयांत गेले काही वर्सां आमी पळयतात की कॉपरेटीव सेक्टरान बरें काम जालें, तरी आसतना म्हाका दिसता आनीकय चड नेटान काम करपाक जाय.
Gopal Parab won the award of Best Cooperator, Makav Sahakari as Best Chairman, Salu Bhagat as Best Employed Secretary, and the Best Society Award for 2008 was bagged by the Uskav Vivid Karyakari Sahakari Seva Sanstha Maryadit.
With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. We'll be back with more news and analysis from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.